Good morning, good morning. It's day one of Hanoi. It's 7:30 right now. हमारा 8:30 tour है तो उसके लिए जल्दी भागना है हमें. And I'm excited about this tour because we are going to explore some historical sites of Hanoi and get to know a little more about this beautiful town.
It's pretty, it's factual, it's interesting, lots of knowledge.
Yeah,
Very
especially
interesting
seeing the body ignited so many emotions. No?
quite
So
heavy,
good.
intense.
Yeah.
देखो ना देखो
ऐसे ऐसे कैसे आगे मुझे नहीं आता.
आज मैं सीख लूँगा ये कैसे यूज़ करना है. It was just barbaric how the people were treated. कल रात को we were in old quarter. वहाँ से we reached Beer Street. It was very crazy at the night. The energy was infectious. काफ़ी मज़ा आया वहाँ पे. काफ़ी पार्टी भी हो गई. And honestly थोड़ा लेट हो गए थे हम. But nevertheless it was New Year, so it works. So Happy New Year to all of you. Here it's 1st of Jan 2026. I hope that your 2026 would be awesome. So yeah, let's go to the tour right now. Shita. It's early morning for us. Yes.
On the bottom, some people worship around it, but the first word is the same. Ching, C-H-I-N-H. Ching it for the good, for the right. Vietnam because influence from China. That's why we have Lady Buddha in our country. Example, when we stay here, you can see next to the tree, the one in the middle, that is the Lady Buddha. We call the mother. One part of the Buddhism.
We are at our first stop, Tam Kok Pagoda. It looks really beautiful. I am loving these yellow palettes everywhere. So our guide told us about how Buddhism is one of the prominent religion here, and the pagoda is for that. But it is just 16% of the population. A large part of the population are basically irreligious. They do have cultural beliefs, like our guide was talking about the four elements that they have, which is very similar to the moon signs and the sun signs, or the astrological signs you can say that we have. Yeah, really interesting to know about the culture here. How are you finding it so far? The first stop.
Good, very overlapping with
very-
Indian culture.
Yeah, it's a very new culture. It's not just Buddhism. We saw some karma illustrations there. Very nice of teaching people how to behave nicely. Good.
Very
good.
very similar to Indian culture.
Very similar to Indian culture, but
Bring sadness.
How,
already sad and I'm
how,
already
how are you liking it, Abhinav?
Enjoying
Our first
enjoying,
stop.
It is imbibing different religion cultures. मतलब religion तो follow नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. बुद्धिज्म के अलावा बहुत सारे कल्चरल ट्रेडिशंस भी
I'm
हैं.
so very shocked to know that 70% of Vietnamese population is actually not following any religion. They're just following their culture. So that's
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah. Very interesting.
काफी
And I'm loving this yellow palette all over, right?
yellow and brick red.
Yeah. We came to our second stop, Ho Chi Minh complex, but it looks like it's too much crowded. So we are going to our next stop to try some coffee and then come back here. We are at Ho Chi Minh complex now.
Before somebody steals the phone, we're just making the report.
Yeah, we are not allowed to record inside, so we'll see you on the other side now. ये मौसोलियम हमें काफ़ी डिफरेंट हिट किया. न्यू ईयर के दिन भी यहाँ काफ़ी लोकल्स थे टू पे ट्रिब्यूट टू हो ची मिन. सराउंडेड बाय गार्ड्स इन अ पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस वी एंटर्ड द कॉम्प्लेक्स. अंदर उनकी प्रिजर्व बॉडी देखकर गूज बम्स ही आ गए थे. एकदम नेशनलिस्ट फीलिंग जाग गई थी. इमेजिन करो अगर गांधी जी की बॉडी भी ऐसी प्रिजर्व होती तो कैसी फीलिंग आती. काफ़ी सररियल मोमेंट था. वी आर आउट ऑफ हो ची मिन मौसोलियम वेयर the body of Ho Chi Minh was kept. Now we are seeing the old houses of Ho Chi Minh where he lived. This is Ho Chi Minh's old house.
क्या कार्ल मार्क्स लेनिन यहाँ आए थे?
नहीं.
Cannot grow up, cannot become the tree. Only small like this. We call it Buddha tree because when the root grow up, a little bit similar like Buddha statue. And now we keep going here.
Your banyan tree go. It's like he just preserved its space. In the land together, ना?
The weather is so good
Divide
today.
बोल रहा है वो.
Pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's pretty, it's factual, it's interesting, lots of knowledge.
Yeah.
Very
Especially
interesting things to know.
seeing the body ignited so many emotions. No?
Yeah, that was quite
So
heavy,
good.
intense.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
intense.
That room was really good. Oh, this is so good. Well, it's such a good house to live in. उसके सामने एकदम lake है.
For a single person, best place to live.
Yeah.
It's like the studio house.
This is the office.
Oh, ये study है ना? Clean हो रही है.
Yeah.
Fancy का lamp है.
Look at the bedroom.
हाँ यार वो थोड़ा डिजाइनर लैम्प.
It's a cozy bedroom. And सिर्फ हाउस में बस 2 rooms है ना? हाँ, घर में और नीचे ऑफिस स्पेस है.
बेल नहीं भी बेल सॉरी.
He stayed here and then he passed away inside this building. When he died, we invite some professor came from Russia to Vietnam, put a lot of chemicals in his body to preserve him for a long time. Ho Chi Minh helicopter is coming.
His body was
Bunkers.
in the bunkers.
Yes. So now we will keep going this way to go out of this complex and go to one more pagoda before left this complex. But when we keep going out here, it will be much busier.
Yeah.
Here is the one pillar pagoda.
Yeah. She mentioned it is made on like one pillar, right?
Yeah. It's on one side, the pillar. And it is between the lotuses. Lotus being the national flower of Vietnam.
Pattern section. This is really nice, right?
What?
It has the texture.
Yeah.
It's a bookmark. It has the texture.
What did you get?
Oh, I got these beautiful bookmarks. It has this nice matte texture, which I really like.
Yeah.
Then this cute lantern, very symbolic of Vietnam.
Yeah.
And this beautiful Hoi An town, which I'm so excited to go to. This is the museum.
Or may not be the museum. ये म्यूजियम जा रहे हैं हम.
Huh? The way is that?
Yes. वो कुछ और होगा.
कुछ और होगा maybe. Sorry guys, we might be wrong.
कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल बोल रहे हैं.
क्या है?
कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल.
Conference hall. Okay.
देखो ना गाइस, देखो ना, देखो.
ऐसी कैसे आगे मुझे नहीं आता.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
These are the 54 ethnicities.
So it is now we go ahead and see behind me have a picture of 54 different ethnic people in Vietnam. 54 different culture, language and dialect. And this one is the Viet people. The Viet people is the biggest with 85.3% population in our country. They are transmitted other ethnic but very narrow. From north to south Vietnam is around 51.96 kilometers. And this is a small woman. That's one we only use for the festival. Daily life we will not use this. Can you keep moving this way, please? This way.
How did you like this, Abhinav?
काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. मतलब ऐसे म्यूज़ियम में वो डिफरेंट चीज़ें दिखा रही है कि क्या ट्रेडिशन किस तरह फॉलो करते थे, क्या एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं. जैसे हमने देखा कि डिफरेंट टूल्स क्या यूज़ करते थे वो लोग फार्मिंग के लिए, फिशिंग के लिए. फिर वीविंग कैसे होती थी. फिर हमने प्रोसेशंस देखे जैसे फ्यूनरल में कैसे होता है. सो क्वाइट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ये हम एक घर देखने आए हैं, एक ट्रेडिशनल हाउस होल्ड. तो श्वेता बताइए इसके बारे में. श्वेता.
These are different kind of houses that belong to different ethnicities. So this is one we have come in first. There's a big space that covers all the kind of houses that existed before where other ethnicity used to live. So we are just into first one right now. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah,
How is your experience so far?
I'm just loving it so much. I mean, I thought it could have been very boring, going with a guide and all the little things. But everything was very unique, very out of the box culture thing. And yeah, new learnings. I love the local vibe, and mundane stuff is also very interesting here. I liked my guide. She's very cute, and she's taking us everywhere. I think she knows that we are.
Also very much, the houses are very much similar. Like we have mitti wale ghar in apne gaon. Very similar feeling.
We have finished our tour and we are back in this old quarter road to have some lunch. Let's see. We are thinking of going to Banh Mi this time and have lunch there. Looks like there's a huge line for Banh Mi. I don't think हम आज भी खा पाएंगे lunch. We need to find a different place. Finally, in a good restaurant for a meal.
Look at how beautiful the food looks here.
आज मैं सीख लूँगा ये कैसे यूज़ करना है. अभी क्या लेना है? What is pending?
क्या बना रहे हो?
ये डाल ले.
This is some squares.
Mint और leaf डाल.
To go with this sauce, hot tasty sauce है.
To pick it.
Yeah. एकदम chopstick handling में master बन गया.
And I picked it. ठीक है? अब
Roll it up.
we have to roll it.
Lettuce.
Rolling.
And there goes this spring roll डाल दिया तुमने अपना.
इसको डिप करके खाना है. थोड़ा और डिप करो.
The chili
काफी अच्छा है. Oh my god, चिली. तो हमें ऐसे सेपरेट चिलीज दी है which is very spicy. कल जो भी खाना खाया उसमें थोड़ा सा ब्लैंड टेस्ट था, तो we needed spiciness today. Buncha. Struggle is real. The struggle is real. ये तो हो जाता है, बट
ये टूटेगा नहीं वैसे उससे. बस ये इस पर डाल.
ओह खा लिया. तो अभी ये डिप करेंगे।
मुझे अपने पे गुस्सा
हाँ नीचे गिर गया।
स्पून से इसको निकाल देना विद ग्रेवी एंड एवरीथिंग विद ग्रेवी एंड मीट जैसे कंफर्टेबल
स्पून।
आइडियली इट्स रॉन्ग
We are in Paulo prison. I'm just coming out of this prison and I have so many feelings. I think the feeling that is overpowering me right now is that I just feel grateful for my life, of the conditions that I live in. And there were stories about how people were tortured, how they were kept in those small confined places. They were kept in such a harsh conditions where they were not given food. It was just barbaric how the people were treated, and I think you should just come here to see for yourself. Like, I'm just mixed with so many emotions right now. I was having goosebumps as I was hearing stories about the people kept in the jail, of the people who have written memoirs about escaping from the prison. Yeah. It was just so sad. It was very intense. It took us I think around 1 to 2 hours. Like, you just need some time after this.
Hey, yes,
How was the experience?
at Hollow Prison,
Yeah.
it was atrocious to go through everything. हमने बहुत ज़्यादा prison के बारे में समझा and how French colonizers ने वियतनाम revolutionists को torture किया. इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक दे रहे हैं, पानी में बैरल्स में बंद करके बैरल बजा रहे हैं. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऐसे बोन चिलिंग चीज़ें थी. At the same time, when I was thinking about myself or ourselves here in the modern day world, and the composure and the privilege maybe that we live in, हम इतने से स्लाइट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स में परेशान हो जाते हैं. हम हेल्थ में कुछ हो जाता है, हम बहुत सोचते हैं. लोगों को हेल्थ तो बहुत लास्ट लेवल प्रॉब्लम्स थी. एकदम बेसिक लेवल पे खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, कपड़े नहीं मिल रहे हैं विंटर्स में. तो इट वाज ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट मेड मी रियलाइज द थिंग दैट वी हैव एंड हाउ well off we are and how privileged we are as people who are able to live an independent life. And this shows us the value of independence of a place and independence of the people, the free will ki access that people should have. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
One word, describe your experience. Just one word.
Felt angry and atrocious. I don't have any personal grudge against French of people, but just kind of not happy with them at the moment. Yeah.
Just one word to describe it.
I realized how much endurance a human being can have, and as we were discussing कि हमारी तबीयत ख़राब हो जाती है तो हम परेशान हो जाते हैं, and the amount of torture they have been through and still coming out or breaking through the cells and coming out and being the leaders of their revolution, I think it just inspires to so many levels and just pushes me to push myself more and just live life more happily. Actually, we should be very grateful for what we have. Yeah.
These struggles were important. I'm so glad people come out of it. I mean, who could. But yeah, it's a place that you should definitely visit. I think 10 on 10 recommended. All this emotion that will come to you, I think, would change something inside you. So yeah, that's all about it. Mood को ठीक करने के लिए we are here at the train street. The train is coming in 10 minutes. Excited about it. Shweta, describe the feeling of train passing.
Living the reels we have watched.
Yeah, living the reels. Huh?
Living the reels we have watched multiple times.
Yeah. How is it? How is it?
It's amazing.
I feel it's mid.
True feeling?
Huh.
Very overrated.
Very overrated.
ये सभी बोलते हैं वीडियो में.
Yeah. नहीं बोलना होता है, हम सच बोलेंगे. आई थिंक हम गलत एरिया में बैठ गए थे एंड उसका बस थोड़ा सा आगे चल के टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ सेक्शन दैट इज़ द रियल एरिया. तो इन केस यू गेट स्कैम एंड उसने ऑब्वियसली ड्रिंक्स की सुपर ओवरचार्ज करी, लाइक इट वॉज ट्वाइस द प्राइस प्लस कार्ड पेमेंट पे टैक्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा था. तो जस्ट कम अहेड टू गेट द रियल फील बिकॉज द वाइब्स आर ग्रेट है. इतने लंबे दिन के बाद मसाज तो बनती ही थी. बॉडी और माइंड दोनों काफ़ी थक गए थे. आज का दिन काफ़ी इंटेंस और इमोशनली हैवी भी था. ऑनेस्टली इट डिड स्टर सो मेनी इमोशंस इन अस. होटल वापस आए और बैठ गए स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स का फिनाले देखने. इससे बेटर एंड शायद पॉसिबल ही नहीं था. हर दिन ये ट्रिप एक अलग हाई नोट पर एंड हो रहा था एंड एक्साइटमेंट उस बढ़ती ही जा रही थी. अगले व्लॉग में हम जाएंगे हनोई के पास एक छोटे से शहर निनबिन, नेचर के एकदम पास. ये व्लॉग अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कमेंट कर देना. इस चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना टू नॉट मिस एनी न्यू वीडियोस. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में.